Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix too many verification attempts. You have entered the incorrect credit card information too many times. Please try again later. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply open settings in your device, and after this tap on general, then tap on software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, do this, and after this go back and then tap on your profile, and from here select the sign out button. From here you have to simply scroll it below, and here you will find sign out option. You have to simply sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time, and after this you have to simply sign in your Apple ID again on your device. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply tap on media and purchases from here, and then tap on view account and wait here for some seconds, and from here tap on country or region, and from here you have to simply select the country or region correctly. So guys, simply tap on change country or region and select the correct country on your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open any browser and search here for support.apple.com. So guys, here you can see this. Simply tap on support button and then tap on Apple Support, and now select your device, and from here scroll it below all the way, and from here you can see you can get support from the Apple team from here. So guys, simply tap on start now button, and after this you will be able to get help from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.